Welcome to Brain Attainment, your go-to channel for all things brainy and entertaining. Here, we unravel the mysteries of the mind, delve into mental health, and explore overall wellness in an engaging, accessible manner. Our aim? To empower you with knowledge, ignite your curiosity, and help you understand the wonders of your own brain. Now, let's embark on a new journey. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of yoga and its numerous benefits to mental health. You may have heard of yoga, but do you really know what it is? Originating thousands of years ago in ancient India, yoga was initially a spiritual practice focused on attaining a state of inner peace. Today, it has evolved into a diverse discipline with several branches, each with its unique focus. At its core, yoga is more than just physical exercise. It's a holistic mind-body practice that marries physical postures known as asanas with breathing exercises or pranayama and meditation or relaxation. The asanas enhance physical flexibility and strength, while the pranayama and meditation aim to cultivate a peaceful, focused mind. So, whether you're downward dogging, mastering the lotus position, or simply focusing on your breath, you're engaging in yoga. It's about creating harmony between your body, mind, and spirit, and this connection is what sets yoga apart from other forms of exercise. Now that we have a basic understanding of yoga, let's explore how it benefits our mental health. Yoga has been practiced for centuries, but only recently has science begun to unravel its benefits to mental health. Let's delve into the fascinating science behind this ancient practice and its impact on our minds. At its core, yoga is about balance. It harmonizes the body with the mind, and this unity has a profound effect on our mental well-being. When we engage in a yoga posture, or asana, we are not merely stretching our muscles. We are also triggering a complex network of neurochemical reactions within our brain. Firstly, yoga helps to reduce stress. It does this by decreasing the levels of cortisol, our body's primary stress hormone. When we're stressed, our body goes into fight or flight mode, releasing cortisol. This is helpful in short bursts, but chronic stress can lead to a host of health issues, including anxiety and depression. Yoga, with its emphasis on deep breathing and mindfulness, activates our body's relaxation response, lowering cortisol levels and helping us to unwind. In addition to stress reduction, yoga also improves our mood. It stimulates the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter often called the happy chemical, because of its role in maintaining mood balance. A deficiency of serotonin can lead to depression. Yoga's ability to boost serotonin levels naturally is one of the reasons why it's often recommended as a complementary therapy for depression. Furthermore, yoga enhances our overall sense of well-being by increasing body awareness. By focusing on the breath and the alignment of the body, yoga encourages mindfulness. This heightened awareness of the present moment can help to alleviate chronic stress patterns, relax the mind, and sharpen concentration. In essence, yoga is a form of moving meditation. It combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation or relaxation. This combination not only strengthens our bodies but also calms our minds, leading to a sense of peace and tranquility that extends beyond the yoga mat. Clearly, yoga has profound effects on our mental health. But how does it do this? Yoga doesn't just make us feel good, it physically changes our brain. This might sound like a bold claim, but it's backed by scientific evidence. Let's delve into how yoga works its magic on our brain. Firstly, yoga has been found to increase the size of the hippocampus. Now you might be thinking, what on earth is the hippocampus? Well, it's a part of our brain that plays a crucial role in memory and learning. It's like the storage unit of our brain, holding on to memories and helping us learn new things. Studies have shown that regular yoga practice can actually increase the size of the hippocampus. Imagine that, our brain's storage unit getting a bit of an upgrade. But that's not all. Yoga also boosts the level of gamma-aminobutyric acid, or as it's more commonly known, GABA. GABA is a neurotransmitter in the brain that helps to regulate nerve activity. It's like the brain's traffic controller, calming down the hustle and bustle of nerve activity. Low GABA levels have been linked to anxiety and mood disorders. But guess what? Practicing yoga has been shown to increase GABA levels. This means yoga could help us to control our anxiety and boost our mood. So, How does yoga do all these wonderful things for our brain? Well, it's all about the breath. In yoga, we focus on deep, mindful breathing. This type of breathing stimulates the vagus nerve, which is part of the body's parasympathetic nervous system. This system helps to control our body's relaxation response. When we stimulate the vagus nerve, we trigger the release of chemicals and hormones such as GABA, which helps to calm the brain, improve our mood, and enhance our memory and learning. So, yoga not only helps us deal with stress, but also boosts our brain function. Isn't that amazing? Just by moving our body and focusing on our breath, we can literally change our brain. So why not give yoga a try? Your brain will thank you. Now that you understand the benefits of yoga for mental health, you might be wondering how to incorporate it into your life. Well, it's not as daunting as you might think. Here are a few practical tips to help you get started on this journey towards mental wellness. First, it's essential to find a good teacher. A knowledgeable instructor can guide you through the poses, ensuring you're doing them correctly and safely. They can also help you adapt the poses to your ability level, making sure you're getting the most out of your practice. Next, consider starting with a beginner's class. Yoga is not about twisting yourself into a pretzel on your first day. It's about gradually building your strength, flexibility, and balance. Beginner's classes provide a safe and supportive space for you to learn and grow at your own pace. Once you've found a class or teacher that suits you, it's time to commit to regular practice. This doesn't mean you have to spend hours each day on the mat. Even just 15 to 20 minutes every day can make a significant difference. The key is consistency. Remember, yoga is not a quick fix. It's a practice, a journey. You may not see immediate changes, and that's okay. Patience is a crucial part of your yoga journey. It takes time to rewire our brains, to build new habits, and to see the effects on our mental health. Also, try not to compare your journey to others. Yoga is not a competition. It's a deeply personal practice, unique to each individual. What matters is that you're showing up for yourself, taking care of your mind and body. Lastly, make sure to listen to your body. If a pose doesn't feel right, adjust it or take a break. Yoga is about honoring your body and its limits, not pushing past them. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your yoga journey today. Yoga is a powerful tool for promoting mental health. It's not just about flexibility and strength, but also about peace of mind. We've explored the science behind this ancient practice, delved into its impact on the brain, and offered practical tips to incorporate it into your daily routine. Remember, yoga is more than a physical pursuit. It's a journey towards a healthier mind. Thank you for tuning into Brain Attainment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more brainy content like this. Namaste.